Chocolate City.
Hey yo, I want y'all to be fair. We're gonna try something new up in here. I got Snoop from Snoop Dogg and Dogg's new label, Doggy Style Records. We got
somebody somewhere, best beware my crew. Somebody somewhere, best beware my crew.
Coming from a city where no pity is shown, and everybody wanna be a G when they grown. Same song in my hood as it is in yours. They send real niggas to the pen and scores. Wars caused by jails of bitches and punks. Speaking on the ones that's the quickest to dump. Same fools riding that been down for years. Considered as the shit when they around their peers. 3 cheers to the turf for whatever it's worth. Cause I'm a representative till I'm setting the dirt. My mentality to battle the opponent to death. And checking every nigga ever wanted to step in my direction. With the question for testing. The section I represent for inspection. When some jumping, I'm dumping. Pumping fear in your ear when you hear that I'm running.
Somebody somewhere, best beware my crew.
It's groovy how I soothe thee. Quite complex, so who's next to flex? These MCs please, I'm fed up, head up. That explains the way I display. Any time of day, a duel, dynamically with the lyrical tool. Fuels on the fire, burning desire to get this rap game stretched down to the wire. Sire, I'm composed as a blast you'll see. From the T to the CH and IEC. Free from all this nonsense, guilt and shame. Can't trust no hoes, cause they the ones to blame. For what I didn't been through, seen and touched. Got a mental insight, the hoes talk too much. And out of my mouth comes nothing but game. And out of your mouth, please keep my name. Cause verbally you heard of the TEC. But why chase after he you cannot see?
Somebody somewhere, best beware my crew.
Recognize game when it's all in your face, off safety. Close range, hit this in the mask when I aim, then shoot. Out the window of the coupe, dump with the gas, I swoop. To this low key spot to lay low from the dude low. I put my gun away, cause they got done away. Buyer rather pull the trigger tight, niggas see the stages of mics. They're shooting gauges off bikes, it's like living and dying while laughing and crying. In the same breath, you gain less. Messing in the lesson, I'm stressing for real. Unless you feel that you strong enough to go long enough, it ain't nothing but a thing. Nigga, can you hang? I bang. Similar to a gang, hit you up. And on the mic, I ain't nothing nice. I leave you with your mental disturbed. Selling cabbage, smoking chronic on the curb. Hollering at my boy about them dollars and them dollars with the switches. Still loving no hoes, trusting none of y'all bitches. Cause the key is to see through the traps, cause they set. Life is like craps, I hit nigga bet.
Somebody somewhere, best beware my crew. Somebody somewhere, best beware my crew.
Gotta make my ends the best way I can. Because my man's in the pen for 10. Told me to handle his biz. Told me to handle his biz and keep away from his friends. But the South chose to take another route. Get a lover and discover what the game was about. Traded in the biz for a Chevy Suburban. Tossed up the vote, now we ready to swerve. Smug out a nigga dizzy. Spare tire hoes are busy for us to get busy. From city to city we mash. All they ever seen was the 95 pass. Cinema, the Lil Cinnamon, pretty one. None to get 'em up with anyone. From sun up to sundown, serving pound for pound. Flip it to the yay run down.
It ain't too many crews that can do this shit. Rude bitches act to act, promoting gangsta shit. Cause see, that's what people love, all about the compilation. And since the shit drop, everybody got conversation. Some people love us, some people won't. But do I give a fuck? No, I don't. And when them dog pound killers step next to me, I try my best to bury their ass. CIX feet deep, now that's gangsta. When you can throw a lick and make that grip and continue to dip. See, I trip, cause the click I got with spit gangsta shit and we commit what? A revolution, a perform a confusion. And fucking niggas up in this game of music. Now that's
somebody
gangsta.
somewhere,
Yeah.
best beware my crew.
Now that's
Somebody
gangsta.
somewhere, best beware my crew.
Somebody somewhere, best beware of my crew.
Best beware my crew.
Somebody somewhere, best beware of my crew.
Best beware my crew.
Time to bring your ass to the table, y'all. It's X to the Z exhibit. Yeah, Snoop Double D. covered up the world, right? Yeah, listen, look. You ain't trying to hot box with me. I swing hard liquor going down by the second round. All hell to underground. How that sound? Exhibit backing down from a conflict. Fuck the nonsense. Terrorists hit a bomb shit. Glass and metal in every direction. Innocent bystanders taught a very hard lesson. I'm the reason there's no time to reach for that weapon. And reason why niggas with problems keep on stepping. Exhibit ready to scrap like Mike Tyson with his license back. 9 to 5 minimum wage. What type of life is that for me? It's blasphemy. You fucking around with the Sundance Kid and Butch Cassidy. You had the audacity to wanna tangle with the X-ray your neck, slap you like the opposite sex. Drunk driving, trying to stack my loot, while other rappers getting treated like a prostitute. So check the sound skin.
All I wanna be was a G-high. My whole life, nigga, please high. Breaking off these motherfucking keys high. Let's get these motherfucking keys high. Nigga, you don't wanna fuck with this.
Oh no, Big Snoop Dogg, back up in the heezy, baby. You jocking my style, you so crazy. Dre say ain't no limit to this, as long as we drop gangsta shit. Look here, bitch, you fine and I dig your style. Come fuck with a nigga, do it, doggy style. I'll be gentle, sentimental. Shit, we fucked in the rental, Lincoln Continental. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago.
Yeah, nigga, you
I
know
get
what's
the pussy
happening, man.
everywhere that I go.
These bitches know what time
Ask
it
the
is.
bitches in your hood, cause
Hell
they
yeah.
know.
Hoes know
I
about
get
a
the
nigga
pussy
like me,
everywhere
man.
that I go.
I'll pimp these
Ask the
hoes,
bitches in
nigga.
your hood, cause they know.
Bitch, please. Get down on your goddamn knees. For this money, chronic clothes and weed. Look, you fucking with some real OGs. Bitch, please. Bitch, please. Get down on your motherfucking knees. We came to get the motherfucking G's. Yeah, you fucking with some real OGs. You dick tease.
Bitch, please. Now what you need to do is hand my coat and roll me some dough. Different strokes for different folks. Oh, you like setting niggas up and getting them lows. Oh, cute little bitch with a whole lot of heart. Shit gets thick when the light gets dark. She say she got some lick for me, worth about 200 G's and 30 keys. Now check this out, Dre. Now if I don't move, then a nigga like me, shit, I don't lose. But you know me, dog, I'm moving. Ain't nothing to it but to get to grooving. You been waiting on a nigga like me to take that chance and rob your man and beat up the pussy, a victim of a circumstance. That's the devil, they always wanna dance. See, we go out with a bang. I'm trying to work this cold thing and take this whole thing. I get the money everywhere that I go. I bust a bitch and take her money for show. I get the money everywhere that I go. I bust a bitch and take her money for show.
You don't wanna step to me, still claiming DPG, till the day I DIA. You don't wanna step to me, still claiming DPG, till the day I DIA. You don't wanna step to me, still claiming DPG, till the day I DIA. You don't wanna step to me, still claiming DPG.
You better hurry up, baby.
Why is that?
Cause my father's gonna be home soon. And you know he don't like dogs.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, but I ain't trying to hear what he's saying. Cause you know I love you, right, baby?
You don't love me, you just love my doggy style.
Oh my God! Look at my yard! Look at this mess. Need to call the dog catcher or something. Man, what is... Look at that yard. Where's my daughter at? Is that dog in there? I want that dog out of
That's
my
my
house.
father. What we gonna do?
Don't even trip, I'm gonna handle this.
I want that dog out of my house.
Go on.
Dog out! Get this dog out! Out!
From the depths of the sea, back to the block, Snoop Doggy Dogg, funky at the dock. Went solo on that ass, but it's still the same. Long Beach is the spot where I serve McCain. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. me, but don't lose your grip. 9 trips ain't the years there for me to fuck up shit. So I ain't holding nothing back. And motherfucker, I got 5 on the 20 sack. It's like that, and as a matter of fact, cause I never hesitate to put a nigga on his back.
Yeah, so keep out the manuscript. You see that it's a must we drop gangsta.
What's my motherfucking name? Yeah. It's the bow to the wild, creeping and crawling, Yiggy yes yo, and Snoop Doggy Dogg in the motherfucking house like every day. Dropping shit with my nigga Mr. Dr. Dre. Like I said, niggas can't fuck with this. And niggas can't fuck with that shit that I drop, cause you know it don't stop. Mr. 187 on the motherfucking top. Tick-tock, now with a Glock, just some nuts in the cock. Robbing motherfuckers, then I kill them blood cops. And I step through the fog and I creep through the small, cause I'm Snoop Doggy, 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 Dogg. Your hands in the motherfucking air and wave the motherfuckers like you just don't care. Yeah, roll up the dank and pour the drink and watch it stink. Cause doggies on the gang, my bankroll's on swole. My shit's on hit legit, now I'm on parole. Stroke with the dog pound right behind me and up in your bitch is where you might find me playing that G thing. She want the nigga with the biggest nuts, and guess what? He is I and I am him. Slim with the tilted brim. What's my motherfucking name?